When it comes to learning about maths and numeracy in preschool, it's all about play-based learning. The learning experience I have chosen can be done with simple materials such as these popsicle sticks. Now, if I had better materials and was going to use this experience in a classroom, the sticks would be much bigger in order for the children to be able to look at them clearly. For this game, you start off with a row of the sticks with numbers and a row of the sticks with pictures of shapes, all shuffled up. The child or children must then pair the numbered popsicle sticks with their correct companion, such as the number 3 matches the popsicle stick with 3 circles on it. This helps children learn what the number 3 actually looks like with objects. Once the child has paired up all of the popsicle sticks, they can then try and identify what all the shapes are. This is just another way for the child to learn what shapes are and what they're called. This activity would be most appropriate for children aged 4 to 5, but could be used with younger children if they have a stronger development with numbers and counting. There are multiple concepts in which this activity fits under, with the main one being one-to-one correspondence, as the children are learning what the number 5 looks like, as in this is 5. Learning one-to-one correspondence is very important for children to be able to fully understand maths and numeracy. Other concepts which are seen in this activity are number, shape, and matching. Children between the ages of birth to 5 develop maths and numeracy in many different ways. From birth, babies grow concepts and develop. They explore the world with their senses. They look, touch, smell, hear, and taste, and this is how they learn ideas of size, weight, shape, time, and space. At this age, it's all about moving and doing. Discussion during daily routines is also another way infants can learn early mathematical language. Talking about the number of objects in a bath or the amount of juice in a cup provides a starting point for understanding number and volume. As children learn to walk, they get a much different view on the world, and thus learn in different ways and experiences than ever before. A child can learn an awareness of space by sliding down a slide, swinging high, or climbing a ladder. They grasp an understanding of other mathematical concepts purely through play, such as playing shops and purchasing items with play money, and playing with Legos and building blocks. Without even knowing it, children are learning about shape, volume, measurement, and many more concepts by simply playing and having fun. As children enter preschool, they enter an environment most likely unlike one they have ever been in before. Surrounded by many other children and teachers creates a place for discussion and questioning. Preschool setups provide more tools and equipment for children to play and discover. Everything used in preschool settings is there for a reason, to help children grow and develop. Preschools usually have many different setups to encourage different types of activities and ways of learning. There might be a sandpit outside in which children can play with filling up different cups and objects to understand volume. There might also be a model building and collage area for children to play with and learn about many different concepts such as shape and pattern. It is evident that children from birth to age 5 learn and develop their maths and numeracy skills from play-based learning activities, which are fun and capture their attention. My particular learning experience is effective in supporting the development of maths and numeracy amongst young children, in that it is a fun activity which could be seen as a game and thus grab the attention of the child or children playing with it. It's simple enough for children of the ages 4 to 5 to be able to understand, but they are still learning mathematical concepts through play.